Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be making jeans nails with nail lacquer. I messed up nail stamping. I hope you can enjoy watching that too. I'm gonna make an accessory first. I got these from Seria. I'm gonna give a turquoise vibe to it. I'm gonna paint non-wipe top coat on the back. I wanna fill the center window with it. I put it on a piece of plastic foil. Cure. I think I see the center window. Turquoise blue from CanDo. This color might not be available now. I'm gonna paint it on the top coat. I want to make it fully cured and I don't want any plumpiness, so I'm spreading the gel. Cure. Oops, I failed to film. I put it on a nail tip holder and painted no wipe top coat on the turquoise blue gel and cured it. The accessory is done. Now I'm cleaning my nails with ethanol. I'm gonna paint D Up Strong Guard as base coat. I love the brush. It's got a perfect firmness and shape. The base coat is dry. I'm gonna paint PA Polish F27. It's highly pigmented, so just one coat is opaque enough. I need to be careful not to drag the polish though. This is jeans art, so if you get patchy spots, it's still okay. Look at this, it's so pretty with just one layer. I'm gonna paint it on the little finger as well. I'm gonna paint Ollie white polish. I got it at Marshall's. This is my first time using Ollie color polish and I'm pleasantly surprised. I can paint it evenly. For white polish. I wonder if all the other Ollie color polishes are like this. I'm gonna paint the blue PA polish on the middle and the index fingers. The first coat is done. I'm gonna paint white again later. Since it's raining today, I let it dry for 8 minutes, which is a little longer than usual. I'm gonna stamp on all the blue nails. Moira's blade. It's my most expensive stamping blade. I think it was around 1600 yen. It's got a perfect design for jeans nails. I'm gonna use regular polish from a 100 yen store. Don't worry, I'm not using a credit card. Let's see here. Does it look like fabric? I'm cleaning the stamper with washi tape. I'm gonna keep stamping. I didn't clean the plate. I hope it's okay. It is okay. I didn't clean the plate again. I'm being lazy. Well, I am lazy. Yeah, it didn't pick it up perfectly, but I can still use it. I missed some spots in the tip area. I guess it's time to clean the plate. Nah, I didn't clean it. Well, I was able to pick it up well enough. I'm gonna paint white for the second time. I love this Ollie polish. You don't get to see many white polishes paint so well like this. Great, Ollie. I'm gonna dry it for 8 minutes. A plate from Temu. I'm gonna stamp on the thumbnail. Super opaque stamping polish I got at Walmart. Actually, I'm gonna mess up. Well, it's not a big failure. It's more like I wasn't satisfied. I'm not sure if you understand this. Maybe I'm too fussy. So this line and this line are slightly curved and it doesn't look like 90 degrees. So this time I'll try really hard to get the perfect pickup, especially this area. Good enough. Great, it's 90 degrees. Maybe. A stamping plate from AliExpress. I'm gonna stamp on the middle finger. I'm getting rid of some words. I love it. I'm gonna clean the plate. After cleaning it with nail polish remover, I'm gonna wipe it with ethanol. I'm fanning it with my hand. I'm gonna give it a final wipe with a makeup puff. I regretted doing this. I'm gonna stamp K as in Kozue. Oh no, I shouldn't have stamped it. It looked better without it, don't you agree? I decided to redo it. Nail polish remover with a sponge comes in handy in a situation like this. It came off super quick as the polish wasn't too dry yet. I painted strong guard again, PA polish again, and stamped again. I stamped the words again, but this time I didn't get rid of any words and stamped as it was. I like the first version much more. Well, this isn't that bad. I'm painting Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil on all the nails I stamped. Before it gets dry, I place some studs. Oh, I forgot about the thumbnail. After drying them for 8 minutes, I'm gonna paint Paradu gel top coat. I'm gonna put an accessory I prepared on the ring finger. I'm pressing it slowly and steadily. I'm keeping painting gel top coat on the middle and index fingers. I'm gonna reinforce the accessory on the ring finger. I'm adding some more gel top coat under the accessory with a dotting pen. It looks pretty bumpy and not very pretty, but when it dries, it will be flattened a bit. After a few hours, I'm gonna do the very last work. I'm gonna paint OPI matte top coat. This is my first time to use it, so I'm so curious and excited to see the results. It's easy to apply. It becomes matte more quickly than I expected. Matte coat on the pinky as well. I'm gonna finish the ring finger with sachet vide. I'm gonna paint the matte coat on the middle and index fingers. By the time I finished with the index finger, the pinky became matte. I'm gonna paint glossy top coat on the studs. I'm being lazy again. I just used a brush on the cap, but I knew it wasn't going to work well after all. I have to fix it with a toothpick. All dry and done. I really like the accessory on the ring finger. How do you like the jeans nails? I really like them. A few people gave me nice comments about them in person. I did similar nails on the right hand with glossy top coat. I stamped a K here. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!